Welcome to Barbara's Bulletin. I'm your host, Barbara. Today we're starting with a significant development in the world of law and politics. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear an appeal from energy companies, including ExxonMobil and Suncor Energy, seeking to throw out a lawsuit filed in Colorado that aims to hold them accountable for the costs of climate change. This lawsuit, brought by the city of Boulder and Boulder County, claims that the companies bear responsibility for the harms caused by climate change due to their marketing, production, and sale of fossil fuels. The case has national implications, as it could determine whether similar lawsuits filed by cities and municipalities across the country can move forward. The energy companies argue that climate policy is a federal issue and cannot be addressed on a piecemeal basis, while the plaintiffs allege violations of various state laws, including consumer protection provisions. This development comes amidst other significant news from the Supreme Court, including a ruling on President Trump's tariffs. The court has found some of these tariffs to be illegal, leading to new global tariffs being imposed by the president. We'll be keeping an eye on how these decisions impact the country and the world. It's essential to note that the Trump administration has taken a rare step of filing a brief in support of the energy companies, while the Biden administration has opposed them. This highlights the different approaches the two administrations have taken on addressing climate change. As we delve into the details of these stories, it's crucial to consider the potential consequences of the Supreme Court's rulings and the actions taken by the administration. We'll provide you with in-depth analysis and insights from experts to help you understand the complexities of these issues. We'll be right back with more of today's top news on Barbara's Bulletin. Welcome back to Barbara's Bulletin. We're diving into a complex and sensitive topic as tensions rise between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Reports have emerged that Pakistan carried out strikes against multiple militant hideouts along the Pakistan-Afghanistan border region, claiming to have killed at least 70 militants. The Pakistani government stated that these strikes were in response to recent security incidents, including a devastating suicide blast at a Shiite mosque in Islamabad 2 weeks ago. The Afghan Defense Ministry has condemned the strikes, deeming them a violation of Afghanistan's airspace and stating that various civilian areas in eastern Afghanistan were hit, including a religious madrasa and multiple homes. The Taliban regime in Kabul has also disputed Pakistan's claim, saying that the attacks killed and wounded dozens, including women and children. It's essential to understand the context behind these tensions. Pakistan has seen a surge in militant violence in recent years, with the government blaming Afghan-based elements for the attacks. Islamabad wants Kabul to take action against the Pakistani Taliban, which is a separate group but closely linked to the Afghan Taliban. The situation is further complicated by the fact that the Taliban denies allowing Afghan soil to be used to harbor militants. As we navigate this complex issue, it's crucial to consider multiple perspectives and avoid taking sides. The region's history, politics, and cultural dynamics all play a role in shaping the relationships between these nations. We must approach this topic with empathy and understanding, recognizing the human cost of conflict and the need for diplomacy and cooperation. As we continue to monitor the situation, it's clear that the road to peace and stability in the region will be long and challenging. We'll keep a close eye on developments and provide updates as more information becomes available. Welcome back to Barbara's Bulletin. As we wrap up today's show, let's take a look at the latest news from North Korea. The country's ruling Workers' Party has re-elected leader Kim Jong Un as its general secretary, according to state-run media reports. This decision was made on the fourth day of a rare party congress, which is only held once every 5 years. The Congress praised Kim for his efforts in building up the country's nuclear arsenal, with the official Korean Central News Agency reporting that the North Korean military has been transformed into an elite and powerful army, capable of coping with any threat of aggression on their own initiative and fully prepared for any form of war. In his opening speech, Kim acknowledged the economic challenges facing the country but expressed optimism about the future. He also revealed plans to unveil the next phase of the nation's nuclear weapons program. The re-election of Kim Jong Un as General Secretary is seen as a significant development in North Korean politics, and it will be closely watched by neighboring countries and the international community. As always, we'll continue to monitor the situation and bring you updates as more information becomes available. That's all for today's Barbara's Bulletin. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, stay engaged.